Hello students, good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome you on SSC coaching by Olive Board in English medium. So today is the first day of SSC CGL exam and the first and second shift is over. And so we have reasoning crux on the basis of shift 1 and shift 2. Okay, so level was easy to moderate, and we can say easy. The level was easy. It's not so much tough questions. Level was easy to moderate, and yes, the most of the attempts of the students was 20 plus questions out of 25, right? So there is a question from dice, closed dice. There is one question from closed dice, and there are two questions from number series based on the difference. There is an easy question from number series based on the difference actually, and there are two questions from analogy based on the numbers, analogies based on like analogous to each other, and numbers based analogy. There are two questions. Figure based, in the figure based series is means you have to find out the next figure, the missing next figure actually. It's a part of non-verbal. So there are one question from figure series, and there are two questions from mirror image, and one question is from water image also. One question is from water image, right? So mirror image means there is a horizontal interchange, water image means there is a vertical interchange. There are two questions from mirror image and one question from water image, and there are three questions from mathematical operation. Mathematical operation based questions was little lengthy or tricky, and it's time consuming, we can say. So mathematical operation based questions was lengthy, right? Based on interchange, based on symbols, and there are one question from coded blood relation and one question from language based blood relation. I can say puzzle based. Like there are 6 members in a family, you have to arrange and make a tree, a family chart. There is one question from, we can say, puzzle based or language based, and one question from coded blood relation, symbols based, right? And there are three questions from coding decoding. One question is based on letter to number, and one question like letter to letter, and another one question is from common number coding. So there are three questions from coding decoding, right? And one question is from counting of figures, number of triangles. You have to count like total number of triangles in a given figure, right? And there are one or two questions from alphabetical series, we can say letter series, missing letter series. You have to find the next term, missing terms in the alphabetical series, that is called the missing letter series actually. And 2 to 3 questions from syllogism. 2 to 3 questions from syllogism based on 2 or 3 statement, right? And one question is from embedded figure, the hidden figure actually, and there are 2 to 3 questions from classification. So this is the overall analysis of reasoning based on shift 1 and shift 2, and the paper level was easy. You can attempt easily like 120, 130, 140, 150. It depends on your practice and depend on your preparation actually. So you need to prepare. If your attempts are less, then you need to prepare well for next exams. So of course you can subscribe this channel, because this channel is especially for English medium students, right? If you want to prepare your exam, SSC exam, then you can subscribe the channel. If you want to prepare in English actually, so we have already started English medium batch, right? We have started English medium crash course for CGL 2024, and now recently we have listed on our website the tier 2 batch in English medium, and for 2025 we have already listed SSC CGL foundation course in English medium also. If you want to prepare in English medium for SSC exam, then you can enroll in these batches, and you have to subscribe this channel, because we are going to take sessions in English, right, for the SSC exam on this channel actually. So this is the overall crux of the reasoning analysis based on the shift 1 and shift 2, and level was easy. So not to worry, if you have exam in next days, then not to worry, you will be confident. You must be confident actually. Don't be nervous, and you have to prepare these topics as well. If you are not prepared yet, then you have to prepare these topics as well, right? So thank you so much, and if you are newcomer on this channel, then you have to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. All the best.